First up is the Holystone HS510, our pick for best GPS mini drone for the money. The Holystone HS510 is a mini GPS drone that features a 4K camera, intelligent flight modes, and is suitable for both outdoor and indoor flight. It's small, very light, and has a solid structure that you can feel in your hands. It features a dual GPS module that allows for more accurate tracking and autonomous flight modes. It comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, with each giving you about 15 minutes of flight time, and the more efficient brushless motors allow it to fly faster and quieter. The remote controller has a simple design and is comfortable to hold. A smartphone holder pulls out from the middle to display vital telemetry data. The maximum transmission range for the HS510 is in the 600 to 800 meter range in clear conditions, and for first-person view, the range is around 200 to 300 meters. Although the camera can record in 4K, the frame rate is limited to 16 frames per second, but you can switch to 2.7K and get a more decent 24 FPS, which looks a lot better. For still shots, the camera captures images in 8 megapixels, which is pretty good quality, and the live video feed is transmitted at 720p. The HS510's autonomous flight modes are great for when you want to focus on taking better quality videos or photos while the drone flies on autopilot. The Follow Me mode locks the drone onto your smartphone and follows you from behind. Tap Fly allows you to draw a flight path for the drone to follow. Point of Interest locks the drone onto a point that you define, orbiting that position. And Automatic Return Home automatically brings the drone back if the connection is lost, or can be manually activated as well. If you're looking for a cheap GPS mini drone with some decent features and a good camera, the Holystone HS510 will be a good choice for you. This drone is easy to operate, hovers accurately, and is a lot of fun to fly. Next, we have the DJI Mini 2, our pick for best overall mini drone. The DJI Mini 2 is small, light, and easy to fly, making it appealing to both beginners and experienced drone pilots, photographers, and videographers. The DJI Mini 2 has a high-capacity battery that can give you up to 31 minutes of flight time, and improved, more powerful motors that give it better speed and better performance in windy conditions, so your footage will always be stable. The Mini 2 can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second and captures 12 megapixel stills through its 3-axis motorized gimbal-mounted camera. There's also 4x digital zoom that will help you get in closer to help you get the shot you need. Taking good aerial footage can be harder than it looks, but 5 QuickShot modes help to improve your aerial videos. Rocket mode makes the Mini 2 ascend, with the camera moving to point downward, following your subject. Helix mode makes the Mini 2 fly upward and away gradually, spiraling around your subject. Boomerang mode makes the Mini 2 fly around your subject in a boomerang-like oval flight path, while Circle mode flies the drone in a circular path around the subject you select. There's even Droney, a drone selfie mode that flies back and upward with the camera tracking you. Your phone mounts to the top of the controller, making it comfortable and easy to use. The Mini 2 supports up to 6 miles of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer with OcuSync 2.0, DJI's improved video transmitting technology that delivers better video quality over greater distances. If you have some experience flying and just want a highly portable drone that's really fun to fly, the DJI Mini 2 would be a really good choice for you, and the long flight time lets you get more done. Lastly, we have the Ryze Tello, our pick for best budget mini drone. The Ryze Tello mini drone is an impressive little quadcopter that's ideal for those that are new to drone piloting. It's a blast to fly and has dual antennas that ensure stable video transmission. Load the app, power up the Tello, and pair it with your phone, and you're ready to take off with a range of 100 meters. Use the one-touch button to ascend, or throw and go to launch the drone in flight. Once in the air, the Tello's battery will give you about 13 minutes of flight time, and once depleted, the battery will recharge in just 90 minutes. The propellers are protected from hazards and from coming in contact with small hands by removable guards, and the motors cut power if the rotation of the blades is interrupted, avoiding any potential damage to both the propellers and motors. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, the Tello shoots good quality videos at 720p and stills at 5 megapixels. Even if you're a beginner pilot, you'll be able to get some interesting footage with the Tello's different flight modes that include circle, 360, up and away, and 8D flips mode, where the drone performs a mid-air somersault. You can also get a breathtaking first-person view of the drone flight using a compatible VR headset. And if you want to dig deeper and get into the basics of flight programming, Tello offers a programming app that supports Scratch, an MIT-developed coding system that helps you learn the basics and command the drone to perform corresponding movements by dragging coding blocks on the interface. The Ryze Tello would be a good choice for you if you want to learn the basics of drone piloting. It has simple and responsive controls with easy takeoffs and landings. It's also small and light, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use, and its rotor guards and stability sensors make it safer and easier to fly.